Well, maybe it's that way. No. Do you reckon they've been like shipped somewhere else? Actually, what colours? Because this way is... Actually, it's every colour. Brown is a mile, and white is brown. Green is 2 miles. Yeah, it's not going to be here. It'll be hilarious. Run, Bison! That's true. Yeah, I don't know, Jeff.
Start chasing me with my Doritos.
I don't know what a bison. They herbivores, and they eat the loft. Yeah, it does look cool. Oh no, Henry! Someone's made a hut. What? It's like Stranger Things. It's like Stranger Things. That's where Will was. That's actually cool. Oh. Camp here?
This is quite cool. Feel like your tent next to it.
Yeah. I didn't expect to see that. Take a picture of that.
There's always something in the entrance of the box.
Oh, yeah. Blimey. So fresh. Another one. Oh, I've tried to make a few.
Yeah.
A few little camps. Well, even though I went to university just next door, 20 years later, come here for my first visit.
I suppose it's, yeah, because you're going to uni, you don't really think of it.
Nah, especially at that age. Not really interested. That generation. If you'd have said something like that back then, oh, you want to go to the woods? Like, what? Are you gay? But no, we're going to have a drink, go party.
Yeah.
And you could say that 20 years ago without anyone getting offended.
You still can nowadays. Just you've got to be cautious of it now. So if you say it to the wrong person, it's like, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, throw every phobic and phobia word in your face.
That's a joke.
So, come on, lighten up. Need to laugh in life. Make fun of each other. Got to make fun of differences.
British banter. Make fun of it.
Yeah. Can't take it all too seriously.
It's quite recent. It must have been just COVID.
Yeah, it's there. It's this the Me Too movement started it all with Harvey Weinstein and all that. And then it's escalated. And it's just gone mental. And do you know what the craziest thing I just want to say? It just infects everything. So Star Trek, you know Star Trek?
Yeah.
The TV show. They have a race called Klingons. They're like a big alien race. And they introduce new characters, black and gay. A black and gay Klingon. It's the most ridiculous thing you've ever seen. Yeah, it's a bit of a joke. So yeah, of course, guess what's happened to the show? Nobody's watching it. So it's about to be cancelled. What do you expect? not respecting Star Trek. So the fans be like, goodbye. Same everything, goodbye. Not respecting it. Oh yeah, I told you. Oh Jesus. Maybe on that left side, maybe. Oh, well, there's no signs, you know, which way to go and which path to stick to.
Oh no, there.
Where? You can see?
Straight ahead.
Oh Jesus, yeah. Bit small, isn't it? Oh, I haven't got my torch on me, but we've got enough light.
Well, brown's alright.
Oh, brown is the short one. Yeah. We don't have that much time. Well, I haven't seen. You'd think if there were still bison here, there'd be the sign at the beginning. Why is it still? They introduced them in 2022, but. Oh, I can feel the temperature dropping. Where's my gloves? On the inside pocket. Well, it's Saturday night. Wait, what's? Yeah, should we just go to uni and go partying? Go partying on Willies. Right, I'm back. Everyone, oh my God, it's Chown. Good God, I'm early. That would be legendary. I don't know where my gloves are. Just put it.
Just a wall in there, a picture of you.
Like a Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, my mates. Okay. I've left my glove somewhere. I'm in my pocket. Oh, is that my glove? I do need after all those drinks actually, I need another pee. I drank that energy drink and the blooming protein shake. Aha, my gloves are bloody in there. But it's a good time when we come to these places because it's late, innit? Everyone's finished for the day. Yeah. Same with Blean Woods, isn't it? It's just dead. You know what? Let me just streamy poos. But which belt you've got to choose an era because they change the design so much.
That's the old heavyweight one.
Yeah, I like the 90s one as well. 90s heavyweight.
Or is it the hardcore belt?
Oh yeah, it's all broken.
Yeah, that one's it.
Had all broken bits. Was that? Yeah, that was the hardcore.
Yeah, but he collect most of them.
Yeah, didn't George have most of them, didn't he?
Yeah.
What did he do? Just sell them in the end?
Yeah, it's sold them.
Yeah. It's a shame. It's always good to have a collection of something together. Oh, people on the right.
Yeah, we put, I would collect like boxing belts, like special feelings. What do you see? You see that nice belt. Yeah, maybe even like a WWE belt.
Yeah, just get a combination, yeah, together.
Just stick them on the walls. Have one WWE, one boxing, one.
Yeah, even that would be cool. I should do. I don't have that.
Because don't they get like an undisputed belt? You get something like that because that's special. Undisputed belt.
Yeah, feel the undisputed champion. Oh, here, bison, 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 bison. Bison, bison. Blean Woods. Well, when you Google, whoa. Oh, so it spoke about 2022. When I asked ChatGPT, it spoke about it. Oh, Jesus. You think they would be in a big open field, wouldn't they? Where's the big open section? Here, bison, 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 bison. Oh yeah, go on then. Oh, we got two goals. Oh, the white path this way. Oh wait, there's a path that what?
Oh, the white part. Oh, that's the white and brown part.
Oh.
Wolf it fell.
We could do. And
Burnley and Brentford is 3-3.
Oh, that's a cracker.
Bloody hell.
Did Szoboszlai score? And who scored for West Ham? Oh, it's very muddy.
So check.
Yeah, probably got his head on it. Oh, that's that new striker who pots himself about. He pots himself about.
And whoever Ellie.
Oh, the left back.
So Cody Gakpo, McAllister, Van Dijk, and a few goes Theophil.
Yeah.
I've got an assist.
Yeah.
That's for Van Dijk. I'm thinking that's probably a corner.
Yeah, probably header. This is very muddy, Daddy. Told you, why are you not bringing these are perfect conditions for wellies? No. Oh Jesus, this is like really. I mean, there's a section going around here. Look at that. That's like your foot. You would disappear. I'll be alright.
You'd think the trucks come by and I don't know if it's gravel there.
I don't think you can. It happens too much. Probably changes location.
It's not gravel the whole thing.
Just concrete and put some flats.
Yeah.
And build a mosque. Oh Jesus, it's really muddy here. Ah, perfect. That's exactly where I wanted to have a bench.
Yeah, it's a brand new one.
Bit of a random place. Oh wait. Oh, that's a different path that way.
Oh yeah, I was checking the bike.
Oh yeah. What's it? There's paths that you can easily get lost here. There's paths left, right, centre. Do you know, have you got a tag in your car so we can find it?
Yeah,
Yeah, useful that. Oh, this is squidgy. This is squidgy. Oh, squidgy. Oh, this place is very muddy. Yeah, my other. Oh, what's that? We've got some random graffiti in the middle of nowhere.
Found another abandoned building.
Yeah, can you imagine? Well, Henry, we'll go back and check that one out.
Late 2025, they are still there.
What?
They are still here.
Should we have a little look at it?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
They're still here, but where? Can you find out exactly where? We've got time to find them. Oh, I didn't bring the blimmin' thingy. Torch. Damn it. What is this building? In the middle of the woods, we've got a brick building. What, with a hole in it? The shape of a man? What in the cult nonsense is this? Huh?
Use the brick wall. More graffiti on the other.
What?
Bloody hole slipping everywhere.
This is so random.
This must have been a part of the building, and they've like destroyed that part and they just left that. This is really odd though.
Yeah.
One of those abandoned stuff.
Oh.
House and the whole one.
Take a picture of that.
I heard it apparently doubled in size.
What? Oh, we've got to find them. I can actually just walk my back around here.
The UK's only free roaming bison.
The UK's only? Yeah, I thought it sounded cool.
But it makes sense. I'm not sure now.
But where? Do we know where to go?
Yeah, the issue is how the hell do you find them?
There's no information about it. Could be anywhere. Obviously, we need an open field bit. You think we'll go the other side?
Because yeah, there was a house there. I reckon it's the other side.
Oh, for God's sake. Why don't I sign this side? What do you reckon we've got to go the other side?
I would have thought so. Because here they
It's interesting, why have they got this sign on this side and not the other side? It's a bit strange. So back this way?
so.
I mean... Let's go find some bison. Oh, but then it says that way. All bison bridges. Redfall route. Oh, I don't know.
There's a map there.
No idea. Let's go, let's go. So we got orange and purple route. Purple's going this way, orange going straight.
Oh,
25 minutes.
let's do purple. It goes all the way around.
Oh, look at the entrance.
Right.
Cool. Huh. Oh, let's just say wild. Yeah, but it's going to be pitch black in about 10 minutes. You got to get a move on. Let's have a look. Oh, maybe even less, you know. Can't even search. No, of course, zero signal. Oh look, little bug. What's that? Do you need help? Put- put- Oh, that's quite cool. Let's find the bison. Or is it say bison, horses, pigs? It could be like everywhere. It could be like in here, Henry. Left and right, I've got to check. All kinds of animals.
Every summer, Kent Wildlife Trust celebrates the pioneering Wilder Blean project at the Bison Festival.
Might have the next one.
Just, yeah, do the latest ones. I bet they don't.
No, that's why I didn't get it.
Oh, really? I wonder why they don't activate that. Surely it's not much for them to do.
But had the biggest sense on the camera, so isn't it? Oh, they've stung.
No way. In your willy? How?
I don't know.
What? You gonna get it out? There's a bench coming up. Yeah, you need to because there's another way. That's unlucky. Oh look, signs of animals. Yeah, bison, 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 bison. Just let us see one and be happy. Yeah, it looks quite bright, doesn't it? Got it? What was it? Like a little stone or?
Yeah.
Maybe yes, some flicked up. Yeah, it's unlucky, it's got to flick up and get down a tiny bit there.